Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Julie and today you are joining me on a super fun episode where we finally got out of the office for a change. Kelly and I hightailed it to IKEA today for a super fun shopping session. I went in looking for a new wardrobe for my primary bedroom and I left feeling like I needed to make a full-blown video out of this. There are so many new hot items at IKEA that I absolutely had to share with you. So today I'd like to take you on a quick shopping trip through IKEA's showroom and show you everything that I'm loving and lusting. Let's start with the sofas and love seats. IKEA has so many options for your home, and the thing that I love best about it is that they're all scaled proportionately for a small studio or a starter apartment. The great thing about IKEA's series is that there are so many different configurations, but I landed on the MORABO, and here's what I loved best about it. It has a very mid-century vibe with the clean lines and the squared arms, and I especially love that it comes in so many different configurations, from an armchair and an ottoman to a two-seater love seat to 3 seats, even corner seat sectionals, and a chaise lounge. I landed on the navy blue MORABO love seat first, and it is just so plush, deep, and comfortable. It's a great little love seat to lounge, or if you have a little bit more space, think about specifying the 3-seater sofa with chaise option. It also comes in a variety of fabrics that includes leathers as well. Next, we have the SÖDERHAMN chaise lounge. I love this chaise because it has a removable washable cover, which is perfect if you have kids or pets. It's almost like a 1.5 width size, so you could easily cuddle on here with your toddler or your dog. Place this in the empty corner of your home and make it the perfect cozy reading nook. I couldn't believe my eyes when I landed on this table lamp, and upon closer inspection, it is actually a Wi-Fi speaker, which is so cool. The SYMFONISK table lamp features 2 different layers, one frosted panel on the inside and another translucent mesh layer on the outside. The thing that I love best about this table lamp is that it is in collaboration with Sonos speakers. You all know from previous videos that my entire home is decked out with Sonos speakers, and a Sonos speaker is just not cheap. For a small desktop Sonos speaker, you're shelling out at least $200 to $400 depending on the size. And at $219 for this table lamp plus built-in Wi-Fi speaker, I mean, this is an absolute steal. What an awesome collaboration that I didn't even know IKEA had. IKEA, as you know, has a lot of really inexpensive, sometimes very cheaply made products out there. So scouring the coffee table section, I wasn't really too enthused about a lot of pieces, but when my eyes landed on the Stockholm, I was in love. I've seen a similar piece on Lulu & Georgia's website for almost 5 times the price. I love the oval shape and the functional tray right underneath it. It's such a beautiful piece of furniture. It's slim, it's sexy, and perfectly sized for your small space. The next piece I landed on was this beautiful media console storage combination. It's an upgrade from one of the most popular IKEA pieces, the BESTÅ. It's been upgraded in this espresso black-brown finish with stained oak veneer cabinet doors. This fluted detail is such a hot look right now, and I'm loving how much texture it adds to a simple piece. It also comes in a lighter pine color as well, but I would skip it because in person it looks very, very pink. The Billy bookcase is also one of those IKEA staples that I'm sure everyone has had in their home at one time or another. I mean, I currently have it and it houses all of my shoes. But I landed on this gray turquoise Billy bookcase with glass doors and I immediately fell in love with it all over again. It appears to be a very dark navy in person. It's really sophisticated, especially paired with the gribble brass knobs. I love this entire combination with the pin spot picture light above. It is the ultimate in sophisticated chic. If you're looking for a larger, more substantial piece, perhaps for the dining room, look no further than the Regisor glass door cabinet. It's so beautiful in person, it's sleek, it's minimal, there's no hardware for a very modern design. It's probably one of the more expensive pieces at IKEA at $479, but it really looks stunning in person. Use it to house your barware, extra china. You can even use it in the living room as a display cabinet for your personal photography, books, magazines, and home decor. The dining table and chairs section was a little bit sad. I saw that IKEA came out with this entire line of faux marble tops, and that is just not the business. It does not look elevated. It looks really cheap, laminated on particle board, and I know that's kind of a signature IKEA look, but that's definitely something that you should stay away from. Instead, look for pieces that are laminated with real wood veneer, like this MÖRBYLÅNGA dining table. The size is great. At 86 inches wide, is generally sized for a small space. Even though most IKEA products have a particle board core, this table features a thick 1/8 inch top layer of solid stained oak, making it much more durable in the long run. Up close, you can see how the grain detailing of the wood makes every piece unique. Moving on to the desk areas. I currently have a white mom sitting in my office right now. It's that really huge, substantial kind of U-shaped piece with a return. I was looking for that same piece to show you and maybe a different finish, but I didn't even see it on the showroom floor at all. They might have discontinued it. But what I did find were two really cool, smaller petite desks, which are perfect as a writing desk or even for kids. The first is this Alex desk, going for $169. I love that it has dual drawers for storage and functionality, and this neat little cubby to hide all of your tech cables. It comes in multiple finishes with coordinating caddies, but I'm especially loving this gray turquoise color. If you're looking for a more natural look, I love the bamboo LILLÅSEN desk. It's $189 and it's made from durable, renewable, and sustainable bamboo. It can be placed anywhere in the room because the back is finished, so you can literally float it in the center of your room and still show it off. The great thing about this is that the drawer stops prevent the drawers from being pulled out too far, and each size is designed for letter-sized papers in these 3 drawer compartments. How cool is that? I love this PAX. This wardrobe system is exactly why we're here today. I wanted the closet in my bedroom to feel like a complete built-in, and I think this is really perfect. Moving on to beds and dressers. I didn't see anything that I was absolutely ogling over in the beds and dresser departments today. And I think in previous experience, when I've purchased a bed or a dresser in the past, it's just not that well made. It doesn't stand up to a lot of heavy lifting, a lot of wear and tear. So I would probably stay away from the dressers, but I did land upon this brand new bed that was just so beautiful up close that I really had to share with you all. I'm sure I'm butchering the name, but this TUFJORD velvet tufted bed is just stunning. I love the curved headboard and the sinuous lines. This type of shape is really great to combat those poison arrows directed at your head, especially from nightstands and dressers that have all these sharp right angles. It comes in a variety of colors, but the only one that I saw on my showroom floor today was this dark green velvet one, which I'm not mad at all. Definitely skip the dressers because they're really not heavy duty enough, but what I do love are these SKUBB drawer organizers. I always make sure to snag a box of 6, which helps you organize socks, undies, accessories. They're especially functional for kids' clothes or nursery essentials. Moving on to the marketplace. I remember my very first big area rug purchase was from IKEA, and it was this really beautiful 100% handmade wool piece. Of course, after all of the dogs have soiled it, I've since gotten rid of them, but this is when I first fell in love with handmade wool. The Hortzwang and the BRONDEN really stopped me in my tracks. I really love the braided textures and the high hand-woven piles of both of these 100% wool pieces. If you remember from my area rugs video, wool is going to be the most durable material of the bunch. Definitely stay away from all of the polyester, polypropylene synthetic fibers unless you're looking to replace it down the line. I was trying to look for this mirror in store because I really wanted to see the scale of it in relation to what I saw online, but it looks like our showroom was completely out of it. I saw this oval LINDBYN mirror online and I really just fell in love with it. It's the perfect oval size with a pill shape that's modern and elongated. It's such a simple shape for the bathroom vanity, especially if you flank it with statement wall sconces. Keep the mirror minimal and you can really play around with the shape, the style, the finish of the lighting, which to me is the most important aspect of the vanity. And lastly, we have this outdoor stool that could easily be used indoors or outdoors. This STOCKHOLMEN stool features a frame made of acacia. It's a hardwood that is naturally durable and super sturdy thanks to the high density of its wood fibers. The stool is easy to move around, either from your balcony to the living room, a terrace, anywhere where you feel like sitting or even putting a stack of books. I always make it a point to stop by IKEA's plant section before I leave the marketplace because I have found so many amazing plants there. I've purchased fiddle leaf figs, Chinese evergreens, little jade plants. It's always filled with so many amazing varieties of plants, but I think after the pandemic, our plant section was completely wiped out. So even though I didn't get anything today, I'll definitely be on the lookout for my next great plant purchase. That's it for today's video. I hope you had as much fun shopping with me at IKEA as I had fun getting out of the office. Did any of these IKEA items make it to your love it or lust it list? There are so many great pieces for your apartment, your studio, or even those cozy corners of your home to make it more functional and inviting. If you love this type of content and you want more shop with me videos, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Comment below and let me know if there are any other home decor stores that I must shop in and take you with me. Even though I don't get a whole lot of time away from my clients, away from my family, the baby, and all of my projects, and of course filming, I do love to make these field trip videos. So definitely let me know in the comments below what stores you want to see next. Share this video with anyone you know who's looking for some cool, new, inexpensive IKEA pieces to add to their home. And of course, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click that little notification bell to be notified of new videos that we drop every Tuesday. I hope you're having a fabulous day, everyone. I'll see you next week.